Welcome back, everyone, for another deep dive. You ready to uncover another hidden gem this week?
Always.
Okay, perfect. Well, this week, we found it in the most unlikely of places.
Oh, really?
Tucked away in you won't believe it, in some instructions about pasted text.
Pasted text.
Pasted text.
Interesting.
Yeah, so we're diving into a keyboard shortcut today.
Okay.
And we think it's something that can really change the way you work.
Hmm.
It's that powerful and yet so simple.
I love those. I love finding those little things that can just like totally change your workflow, you know?
Absolutely.
So yeah, tell me more about this shortcut.
Okay, so imagine this.
Yeah.
You are staring at a spreadsheet
Okay. Yep. I've been there.
with way too many columns.
Happens all the time.
Right. Is there a way to like make that information overload just vanish?
Oh yeah. I use this one all the time.
You do.
Yeah, let me paint a picture for you. Okay, so you're looking at this spreadsheet.
Yeah.
And there's just like columns everywhere, right?
Yeah.
Tons of data, more than you can even process at one time.
Right.
Is there a way to just like make it disappear without deleting it?
Okay. That's a good question.
Mm.
I'm already thinking about like some elaborate series of clicks or a macro or
And
something.
even simpler.
Really?
Yeah, 2 keystrokes, curl 0.
Wait, Crittrell Zero?
It's like magic. Poof, gone.
Like a magician.
Exactly.
But wait a second. I use Crittrell Zero to reset Zoom all the time.
It's a multitasker.
Oh, okay.
So in this situation, Ctrl 0, it hides columns
Oh.
and lets you focus on what's really important at the time.
So give me a real-time example.
Okay, so say you're analyzing data.
Okay.
You've got this massive spreadsheet, but there's like 3 columns that are just not relevant right now. You
Yeah.
just hit Ctrl 0.
Poof, they're gone.
They're gone. Like magic, you can focus.
Okay.
Or say you want to print something out.
Yeah.
You know, you don't want to just page breaks. Just
Right.
hide the extra columns.
Yeah.
Clean print out.
So I'm starting to see how powerful this is. But I'm also kind of nervous that if I start hiding things, I'll never find them again.
And that's where the bonus tip comes in.
Okay, there's a bonus tip.
Ctrl Shift 0
Okay.
brings everything back.
Oh, nice.
No more panic, no data dilution. It's like a safety net.
It's a safety net. That's a great way to describe it.
Right.
Because sometimes I get, nervous about deleting stuff, even if I think I don't need it.
You never know.
Yeah, exactly.
So it's just a good thing to have that safety net there.
And is this just for decluttering, or are there other, like, more strategic ways to use this?
Oh, absolutely. So imagine you're comparing 2 data sets side by side, right?
Okay.
You can hide the columns that are identical, and
Right.
then it makes the differences just pop.
Ooh, that's clever.
Or if you're sharing your screen and there's like some sensitive info you don't want people to see, you can just temporarily hide it.
Wow. Okay, so it's like custom tailoring the data
Yeah.
depending on what you're doing.
Precisely.
That's great.
Yeah, and this simple little shortcut.
It really puts you in control.
Yeah.
It's your digital workspace.
Yeah.
You can make it exactly how you need it.
Well, I love this keyboard shortcut. Ctrl 0, Ctrl Shift 0. Such a good find.
It's the best. And, it just goes to show that you can find these hidden gems in the most unexpected places.
Seriously. Like, who would have thought to look in the instructions for pasted text?
Right?
For productivity gold.
It makes you wonder what other everyday tools are hiding their own superpowers.
It really does. And that is a great thought to leave our listeners with.
It is.
So keep exploring, everyone, and we'll be back next time with another deep dive.
See you then.